A Credit Fraud and Credit Security Guide. Chapter 1. Credit Fraud and Security. Credit Repair Fraud/Credit Repair Scams. No credit repair company or credit repair lawyer has any magical techniques to increase your FICO score. Credit repair services can only do for you what you can do for yourself, because there are no hidden secrets that special people are privy to. There is only so much you can do legally, and it's all very basic info available for free all over the place. According to the FTC, there's not one legitimate credit repair company out there. The best anyone can do is help you get errors taken off. Go to ftc.gov and usdoj.gov for more information. Credit repair scams are all fake. All they do is send you a list of places where you can get a secured credit card. You can do the best you can do with the information in this book. You might see or hear ads from companies that promise to clean up or erase your bad credit and give you a fresh start. They charge high fees, usually hundreds of dollars, but do not deliver on their promises. If you are thinking of paying someone to repair your credit, remember this. Negative credit information can be reported for 7 years, 10 years for a bankruptcy. If it's not removed after these time periods, it's your right to ask the credit reporting companies to remove them. Credit card companies can report your entire credit record to anyone inquiring about credit valued at $50,000 or more. No one can require a credit bureau to remove accurate negative information before that period is up. There are no loopholes or laws that credit repair companies can use to get correct information off your credit report. No credit repair company can do anything you can't do for yourself. A money-back guarantee does you no good if the company has gone out of business or refuses to make good on its refund promise. The only way to repair bad credit is by good credit practices over a period of time. Some credit repair companies promise not just to clean up your existing credit record but to help you establish a whole new credit identity. Remember, it is illegal to make false statements on a credit application or to misrepresent your social security number. If you use such methods, you could face fines or even prison. Beware of any company or method that encourages you to omit or lie about bad credit experience when you apply for new credit. Tells you to use a new name or address or a new number, for example, an employer identification number, EIN, in place of your social security number in applying for credit, or says it is legal to establish a new credit identity. If positive things happen to you, like an increase in income, better payment history, winning the lottery, etc., you might try contacting your creditors and credit reporting agency to help you improve your credit report. If you see something negative on your credit report, it's your right to dispute it and they must investigate it. Sometimes, simply by asking for this investigation, you can get the negative things taken off your record because the creditor has either lost or disposed of your file, or they can't be bothered writing up a report. There is no limit to how many disputed billings you can request, so you can just keep requesting them until they go off your record. You can then request the names and addresses of all the negative reports on your credit history, contact them personally and agree to pay a reduced amount if they will remove the bill from your credit report. One controversial method to clean up your credit is to simply change a few numbers in your SSN, a few initials in your address, and you can start fresh. Some lawyers have even started such secondary credit files for people. The strength of the concept is that there are so many credit files in this country that it's easy for a few to slip through the cracks uncontested. One way is simply to get a mail drop, set up a new address for yourself, and go out and start a new credit history. You can also legally change your name or develop an entire new identity. Get the free catalog from EdenPress.com, 800-338-8484 for some interesting credit books. Books about credit repair are at number 332.024 or HG 3752.5 at the library. Fraud.org, 800-876-7060. Info about credit repair schemes, which are all scams because there is only so much you can do legally, and it's all very basic info available for free all over the place. CFA.org, read about disreputable credit repair scams. Fraud.org/tips/internet/creditrepair.htm, tips for avoiding credit repair scams. 800-876-7060. ftc.gov/bcp/conlany/pub/credit/repair.htm, self-help may be best. Credit card fraud resources. If you suspect credit card fraud or you think someone has been using your credit report to obtain loans, contact these fraud lines. Equifax 800-685-1111. Experian 888-397-3142. TransUnion 800-888-4213. File a credit fraud report with your local police. If they are not interested, contact your state police. If you still have trouble getting service, complain to your state attorney general's office. NAGI.org, a list of offices of state attorneys general. Contact creditors immediately in writing to close all compromised accounts. Change all passwords. You can file an online complaint at ftc.gov. yourcreditcardcompanies.com/forconsumers/fraud.asp. pyrg.org/consumer/bankrupt/bankrupt2.htm, credit card companies gouge consumers. International Association of Financial Crimes Investigators 415-884-6600. iafci.org. Credit Card Security Services. Some companies offer card registration and protection services that will notify all companies where you have credit and ATM card accounts in case your card is lost or stolen. With this service, you need make only one phone call to report all card losses instead of calling each card issuer individually. Also, most services will request replacement cards on your behalf. Registration services usually cost $10 to $35 yearly. Purchasing a card registration may be a convenience to you, but it is not required by card issuers. The FSPA and the EFTA give you the right to contact credit card companies and ATM card issuers directly in the event of loss or suspected unauthorized use. If you decide to buy a registration service, compare offers and look for one that will best suit your needs. Read the service contract carefully to check the company's obligations and your liability. Will the company reimburse you if it fails to notify charge card loss promptly after you report the loss? If not, you could be liable for unauthorized charges. For a low fee, these companies will notify all credit card companies if you lose your cards and even insure your losses or send you cash. Credit Card Sentinel 800-423-5533. Safeguard 800-468-5463. Credit Card Validation Center. In order to verify whether a credit card is real and valid or not, follow these instructions. Call 800-554-2265 where you'll hear a recorded voice. Enter 10 for MasterCard, 20 for Visa, 30 for American Express. Press number then 1067 then number again. Press 24, 52, or 1411 then number dot. Enter credit card number.